Innovators are bringing new advanced technologies to the energy sector. Let's take a closer look.
Oil and gas are indispensable to our modern way of life. As world energy consumption continues to increase, the search for these vital energy sources is leading producers to some of the most difficult to access reserves, where they are employing modern horizontal drilling techniques and using coiled tubing. The coiled tubing industry is rapidly growing with the shale gas drilling boom in North America and throughout the world.
Coiled tubing is increasingly used in horizontal wells, in place of traditional straight pipe. Coiled tubing is a string of continuous tubing stored on a reel for transport. Unlike traditional drill pipe, where connections have to be made, coiled tubing is continuous pipe and can be pushed to the end of the horizontal wells. This allows for things like pumping fluids, drilling, fracking, and sand cleanouts. Our company manufactures the equipment that allows our customers to operate on live wells under extreme pressures.
One of the most important aspects of all drilling operations is well control. Improper well control can result in blowouts with very grave consequences, including monetary loss, waste of valuable resources, damage to equipment and the environment, and worst of all, injuries and loss of life. Based in Red Deer County, Alberta, Nexus Engineering and Machine specializes in the design, manufacture, service, and sales of pressure control equipment for the coiled tubing industry. This includes the all-important blowout preventer, which is designed to stop a catastrophic hydrocarbon blowout before it happens. Another piece of vital equipment is the stripper packer, which attaches to the top of the string. It allows the operator to work on the well under pressure while maintaining well control and containing the fluids in the well. Nexus also produces other key equipment, including lubricators, as well as various wellhead adapters and crossovers. The company's equipment allows the coiled tubing operator to enter and exit the well under pressure, performing their job safely without damage to the environment.
Well, we started with 3 employees and 2 machines. We now have over 50 employees in a 35,000 square foot facility. We also broadened our service support by opening a shop in Houston, Texas. We believe in improvements, and we are now registered with the American Petroleum Institute for our quality management system. Nexus has the ability to take on projects with a quick and accurate turnaround.
The heart of Nexus's operations is the design and fabrication of needed parts and components. As the oil and gas industry never sleeps, and any downtime is extremely expensive, the company's state-of-the-art automated CNC machines run around the clock to ensure accurate products are delivered when they're needed.
We work very closely with our customers on the design of their specialized equipment. Our engineers will use the latest 3D software to design an initial idea, and then that idea will be bounced back and forth between the customer and our engineering department until the customer is happy with the design. When the customer is happy with the design will come down to the shop floor where we will manufacture that product in our state-of-the-art equipment in this facility.
Nexus supplies engineering and machining services to many companies domestically and worldwide.
Step Energy Services is a privately owned, technically focused oil field service company providing specialized coiled tubing units and associated equipment to service the horizontal well market in Western Canada. We've been utilizing Nexus equipment from day one in our business. In this industry, safety of our professionals is very important, and Nexus equipment is key to making that happen.
In addition to producing pressure control equipment, Nexus performs recertification services for customers, helping them to maintain operational safety.
Failure of the components used in coiled tubing rigs can cause damage to the environment or harm personnel. Customers send us their equipment for service, where it is fully inspected and tested. It is then sent back to the customer ready for service, knowing that it is safe to use.
Providing the energy we need around the clock requires the oil and gas industry to function safely and efficiently without interruption. With equipment and services from companies like Nexus Engineering and Machine, oil and gas operators can keep their wells under control.
Applications and technology are advancing in the field very quickly. Things that are being done routinely today were unheard of even 5 years ago. At Nexus, we continue to advance the technology in the pressure control equipment world. The equipment is better designed, higher performing, and safer than it has ever been.